Hey folks, welcome to Wildfire Guy. Mark, your host, and we've got a great show today. We're going to interview Les here. He's got a great product that you guys need to be aware of so that it can help you, another tool in the toolkit to help you mitigate your risk for your property for wildfire. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Les. Tell us the story, Les. How can this help our homeowners?
Okay, thanks for having me, Mark. My company, Laszlo Corporation, we're a distributor for uh, Komodo Fire Systems out of Morganford, California.
Okay.
So, what we are presenting to you today is a home defense for wildfires, and it basically is a green technology that will spray and coat your vegetation in your yard, will not harm the vegetation at all, and protect your home from burning. So the Komodo Fire Ready 911 is a home unit that will do the spraying for you, and you have um, basically an indoctrination for it, and you're trained on how to use it. So it's a very productive product that can save your home. And if
So
what
you're talking about an installed system, one of these. I've seen some of the sprayers. Is that a permanently installed spray system? Is what you're describing, or
it's a portable unit, but it is it would take up some space. So, for example, if you had a shed or something like that, you could put it in there, or they have tarps that would cover it if you had a location on your property. And
okay?
when needed, you would uncover, start your spray. An example with the Pacific Palisades situation, uh, the fire was detected at 10 a.m. And due to a number of things that occurred, the evacuation notice wasn't until 7 p.m. So that's 9 hours of time that could have been proactively used by spraying the person's yards and homes and whatnot and creating a fire defense.
It sounds like this would spray through maybe your sprinkler system. It doesn't have to be wet because 8-9 hours ahead of the fire, that's going to dry out
It
and
uh,
be
Komodo is USDA approved and it works wet or dry.
okay. So they can spray this ahead of time
Exactly.
and leave it on the property. How long does it last?
It lasts until you have a major rainfall.
Okay. So it's California. We're out here. We got to cut our grass by the end of May. In most areas, uh, if we weed eat down 100 feet out from the house, end of May, we're really not getting a whole lot of rain at that point. Spray the house down, spray the yard down with this material, your Komodo product, and that would add some protection to the property. Is that right? Am I
That's
understanding
correct.
correctly? Okay.